Have you ever spent hours manually drawing cables or pipes in your assembly? It's slow, repetitive, and easy to make mistakes. But what if SolidWorks could do that for you automatically and intelligently? That's the power of routing in SolidWorks. In this video, we'll explore why it's important, what it can do, and how you can use it to speed up your design process.
So what exactly is routing? It's a specialized add-in inside SolidWorks that automates the creation of piping, tubing and electrical routes. Routing uses intelligent libraries, fittings, connectors and wires to build complete systems. Each route knows its material, diameters and connection points. Use display states to manage visibility in your assembly. Hide unwanted components, save the state and quickly switch between different visual steps. Let's get started creating our first pipe spool. To do this, we access the design library. Here we have many components that are stored. You notice that we have a couple of flanges that we want to be able to use. To access those, we simply drag and drop them into SolidWorks. SolidWorks will simply start mates that into position. All we need to do is choose which size. You'll notice that information that gets stored with this pipe flange is information about the pipe and also information about the elbows that are to be used in these pipes. This takes me immediately into 3D sketch environment where I'm able to draw in any direction. One of the things you'll notice that as I draw, SolidWorks is automatically adding fillets in the corners. These fillets represent the elbows that are to be used, and SolidWorks places the appropriate fillet dimension on there. It's connected up to our tank simply by adding another flange to our design. SolidWorks starts the pipe and then we can get the two pipes together. You can see SolidWorks adds yet another fillet in that corner. We may want to tidy up our design. So here we are just going to remove the pipe and weld directly to the flange. Now at this point all we have done is dropped in a couple of flanges and drawn some of the lines. SolidWorks has taken care of mapping all the pipe information onto that. You can actually see we have created a sub-assembly. This sub-assembly contains 8 components, the 2 flanges, 3 pipes and 3 elbows. All this gets done automatically by SolidWorks. Let's continue our design. Go back into our pipe route and we are going to start to add some more additional items. We are going to connect up to this port on the tank. Notice that this one is actually a 3-inch diameter pipe. We are going to need to choose a different size when we place our flange in. Here we'll choose 3-inch pipe. Again SolidWorks knows that this is now a 3-inch pipe and it knows to associate the appropriate elbows for that. We want to connect this into our pipe route, so we'll simply add a point to that. Here we are going to use the auto route capability. The auto route allows me to automatically do my pipe route. SolidWorks also gives me an indication that we have conflicting properties of our pipe. It knows that we have a 3-inch and a 4-inch and we are going to deal with that in a little bit of here. You can see that we can change the various paths that we have. In this case, we have chosen a different path than the one that was originally presented. And then we can actually move that around in our design. We can add dimensions. Here I am going to add a dimension to keep it. Say 5 inches away from the outside of our enclosed there. Once we have done that, you can see that we can still move our pipe route around. At this point, we can continue to add more dimensions to locate this. But we are going to need to connect the 3-inch pipe to our 4-inch pipe. To do that, we can use a reducing T. Notice that SolidWorks chooses the appropriate 4x4x3 configuration. All we need to do is choose which schedule we want to use. Now, one of the greatest things that SolidWorks is doing behind the scenes is it's actually splitting the pipes. SolidWorks knows where to split each of the individual pipes, say where it intersects with the T. Now let's open the routing sub-assembly separately and begin creating its detailed drawing. The bill of materials is automatically generated based on the piping entities defined in the sub-assembly, ensuring all components are listed accurately. Next, we'll use smart magnetic lines to neatly align all the callouts, maintaining a clean and professional layout throughout the drawing view. With all drawing standards readily available in the view palette, we can quickly drag and place them directly into the drawing sheet. Finally, By keeping the axis lines activated, we can easily display all required dimensions and annotations, providing a clear and complete representation of the routing sub-assembly.
And that's routing in SolidWorks, your complete solution for intelligent piping, tubing, and wiring design. You have seen why it matters, what it does, and how it transforms your design flow.
Flexible routing. Create piping, tubing, and electrical routes effortlessly with intelligent path control. Automated routing. Speed up design creation with intelligent automation that builds routes instantly based on your design intent. Smart component placement. Quickly position fittings, connectors, and components using reusable libraries. Automated bill of materials generation. Create accurate bill of materials automatically, saving time and eliminating manual errors. P&ID data import. Import data directly from P&ID diagrams to ensure design consistency and efficiency. Tubing design. Achieve improved design accuracy and flexibility in tubing systems. HVAC systems. Simplify HVAC routing with intelligent automation and precise component control. Reusable libraries. Standardize designs with customizable reusable parts and route templates. Improved design and accuracy. Ensure precision across every route with automatic validation and smart design rules.
Try routing in your next project and experience how SolidWorks helps you design faster, smarter, and with greater confidence.